increasing the velocity on the motors.
Did it not start? No, it is.
This is a project we've been working on, I think, for about a week, 2 weeks. It's called a automated guided vehicle, and they have to design, build, and test, and then we'll actually do a competition, which we're doing today.
Just why? 34.
It's good. We just got 29 seconds. Definitely going to be the fastest.
Going pretty well. I mean, our time is pretty slow, but we completed all the extra credit stuff.
3, 2, 1.
The hands-on stuff that's fun, you know. It's because you get to get up and like build stuff.
First of all, probably the number one skill that everyone talks about is the teamwork, right? No matter where you work these days, you're going to work in a team. May not be together live all the time, but you got to figure out how to do those things.
Seeing everybody like work together on a single project and all the groups like interacting with each other, just the social interactions between everybody, like the camaraderie.
We are Stony Point High School. This is a classroom close-up, and we are building